She reached for his face, her fingers white as ice. The temperature dropped instantly. Frost crawled across the walls. Hours earlier, he had taken shelter in an abandoned hut during a blizzard. He lit a small fire to survive the night. Then came a knock. A beautiful woman in a white kimono stood outside. Her breath made no fog in the freezing air.
Please, I'm cold.
He remembered the warning. Never let her in. She smiled. The door blew open. By morning, the storm was gone. Frozen in the doorway stood a perfect ice statue of a woman, still smiling. To stay safe in winter, like, subscribe, and comment a cold face emoji.